Got me falling right back.
Welcome back. In our last video we learned the importance of relative candlesticks. If you have not yet watched our previous video on the importance of relative candlesticks, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe and bell button below. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Let's get started. In this video we're going to talk about anchor candles. Occasionally, prices will reverse without forming a clear reversal pattern. In these situations, how do we know whether a counter trend move is going to be a temporary retracement or a full-blown reversal? Here's the trick. You'll first have to identify what we call an anchor candlestick. It's basically a candlestick that has a longer body than the surrounding candlesticks. There's no scientific rule to determine an anchor candlestick. Simply use your judgment. They're pretty easy to find. If you have a problem looking for one, it probably isn't there. When a candlestick closes past the opening price of the anchor candle, a reversal is likely to happen. If not, it's just a retracement. Let's take a look at what we mean. Here in this example, we see prices moving up, forming an anchor candlestick. 2 candlesticks later, the market closed past the opening price of the anchor, and the market consequently reversed. Here is more examples. The market moved up with a strong anchor, and then dropped back down again. This looks like a reversal, but is it really? Let's see what happens next. It turns out to be a strong retracement. Could we have known it was probably a retracement beforehand? Yes, if you look closely, prices did not close past the opening price of the anchor candlestick. Here is another example. This is pretty straightforward. Prices dropped significantly, forming an obvious anchor candle. 2 candles later, the market closed past the opening price of the anchor, confirming the reversal. Subsequently, prices continued in the direction of the reversal. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please share my video with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want videos like this, please hit the subscribe and bell button below. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded.